inside this bag is a rain poncho, and I'm going to keep it in my car. I have regular trips up to Cumbria, and beautiful as it is rather wet often. Need the rain to fill up the lakes. And I'm going to try putting this back in again when I've had a look at it, because that's often a test, isn't it? A bit like a map, it's hard to put things back. Okay, so we've got a visor at the front, a good hood that should fit pretty tightly. I rather like the teal colour as well. We've got toggled drawstring, and then this is not like a flimsy lightweight poncho. This is the proper thing. This really will work at keeping it dry, and it's large. I reckon it should fit just about anybody because of the design, and it's also extremely long. I'll show you the full length here. It is really long. It comes down a long way on me. So it's over the head design with these poppers to help, and then it has sleeves with the elasticated cuffs to keep the weather out. At the bottom it's shaped with black binding. It's really well finished. I do worry about my ability to tuck it all back into this little pouch, which seems awfully small compared to the waterproof, but I'm going to give it a go. As I said, it is very long. I'll lay it out flat and put the sleeves onto the other sleeve. Tuck everything away. Fold, 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 and fold. And here it still looks bigger than the bag. Let's see if I can put it in. I want to keep this in my car, so I need to be able to pop it back into the bag. And, yeah, it is a bit like a map. It's somehow... No, I'm going to have a better go at that. It's not going to be easy to put back in the bag. That's the only thing I've got against it. And maybe I just won't bother with the bag because I'm not the best at folding, and it is really long, tough material, really good rip-proof material. So it's going to keep you nice and dry. And when you've learned to fold it back into its little pouch, it won't take up much space in the car either. So you'll never be without something to keep you dry wherever you've travelled to.
Leider sind die dunkleren Stellen Wasser. Es ist durchgelaufen und ja, und an den Nacken auch. Sowas brauche ich nicht.